How to add voucher code on Binance app. Hi everybody, welcome to our channel. I'm back with a new video. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how can you add voucher code on Binance app. In order to add voucher code on Binance app, you'll have to follow these simple steps. So first thing first, make sure that the application is completely up to date. If not, head over to your respective app store and on the search box, you want to type in Binance. When you locate Binance, see whether the app needs to be updated or not. If it is completely updated, click the open button and log into your account. When you are logged into your account, that will take you to the home page. Here, you want to click on the Binance logo in the left hand side corner of your screen. Once you do it so, you'll be taken to this sort of field where you need to go ahead and click on Reward Hub. When you go to Reward Hub, you want to go ahead and make sure to tap on My Voucher. Or you could just go to My Voucher and then you'll be able to see this page where you could go ahead and click on voucher code in the top right hand side corner. And once you do it so, here enter in the voucher code that you've received and click on claim voucher, and within no time you'll be able to claim your voucher. So that's the simplest way you could go ahead and add voucher code on your Binance app. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.